This is a brick and tile property at 32 Auckland Ave, Papatoi. It's 3 bedrooms on the upstairs and utility rooms downstairs. It's got a swimming pool at the back. So room to maybe put 1 or 2 house in the front. Steps for the upstairs. Right. So 1 bedroom over here with some storage. Another bedroom. There's a sunroom. Good size lounge. Dining combined. Got a big decking at the back. Huge swimming pool. Tidy kitchen. I think laundry over there. Heaps of storage. Separate toilet. Bath. Shower. 8 bedrooms. Come and see the utility room downstairs. So bath and toilet. So 2-toilet bath, 3 bedroom plus utility with a single garage over there. Thank you for watching.